In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate hours worked in Excel. If you track start and end times and want a clean, readable total of hours worked, there's a simple formula that does the math for you and even handles overnight shifts. All you need are two time cells, one for when work started and one for when it ended, and a cell where you want to display the result. Click the cell where you want the total hours to appear and enter this formula exactly as follows. Equals text MOD E4 D4 1 HMM and hours. This assumes your clock in time is in D4 and your clock out time is in E4. If your times are in different cells, just adjust those references to match your sheet. Press Enter on your keyboard to calculate the result. You should immediately see a value like 8:30 hours, which reads as 8 hours and 30 minutes. That text at the end is added on purpose, so the result is easy to understand at a glance. Here's what the formula is doing behind the scenes. Excel stores times as fractions of a day, so subtracting the start time from the end time gives you the portion of a day worked. The MOD part, MOD E4 D4 1, keeps the result within a single day, which means it correctly handles overnight shifts where the end time is technically on the next calendar day. Without MOD, a shift that crosses midnight could look like a negative number. The text function formats that time fraction into the HMM pattern, so you see hours and minutes rather than a decimal. Finally, and hours appends the word hours to the end, turning the output into a clear, readable label. A few quick tips to make sure your result looks right. Make sure your start and end cells contain valid time entries, like 9:00 a.m. or 17:30. If you see a confusing result, double-check that the cells are recognized as times, not plain text. The HMM format shows hours within a single day, so if you're accumulating totals beyond 24 hours in one cell, this display will roll over after 24. And if you prefer a space before the word at the end, you can place it inside the quotes like hours to make the output read 8:30 hours. That's it. Enter the formula, press Enter, and you've got a reliable, readable hours worked total that even handles overnight shifts gracefully.